How to leave a review or a rating on WhatNot. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can leave a review or leave a remark on WhatNot. Now, you can leave a rating on your experience with the orders you have received only. So you'll be able to leave a review only after you have purchased the items, and rather than that, or other than that, if you have not purchased the item, you'll not be able to review or leave a rating. Now, as I tell you, ratings can only be made on a desktop app, iOS app, and your web browser only. You won't be able to do it on the Android. Here you'll be able to do it on the desktop app, your iOS mobile app, and your web browser. So here you can see I'm on the browser. You can head into your device, and there you want to search for whatnot.com on your browser, and you'll be directly headed into the official website there, and you want to log into your account, and you'll get an interface like this. Now, in order to leave a review, what you want to do is you want to tap on the profile icon at the top right. You can see the little profile icon. You want to click on it, and under the buyers tab, you can see buyers, sellers, and general tab. You want to click on buyers tab, and there you want to head into orders option. Now, once here you can see processing completed and cancelled. If you want to leave a review, you can simply toggle on this completed option, and all your completed or purchased orders will be shown up here. And from there, what you want to do is you can tap on it. You want to open it up, and you want to tap on rate purchase option, and you'll be able to leave a rating. Now, if your order has been marked delivered, you'll be prompted to leave a rating immediately upon opening the WhatNot app as well. This way you can leave a review on WhatNot. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.